And Aam Aadmi Party and BJP are in a face-off in the national capital, this time over financial aid for the women. The Delhi cabinet has approved the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana in the cabinet meeting today. The scheme aims to provide 2,500 rupees in financial assistance to women from below poverty line households. This was part of BJP's guarantees ahead of the Delhi elections. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party has dismissed BJP's scheme as a jumla.
इस महिला दिवस के अवसर को सदुपयोग करते हुए हमने अपनी कैबिनेट की बैठक करी। माननीय सभी मंत्रीगण उस बैठक में रहे और दिल्ली चुनाव के अपने संकल्प पत्र में दिल्ली की बहनों से जो वायदा हमने महिला समृद्धि योजना के तहत किया था कि दिल्ली की गरीब बहन को 2500 रुपये प्रति माह देने की बात, आज उसको हमने कैबिनेट में मोहर लगा दी है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार ने ये साबित कर दिया कि वो मोदी जी की गारंटी नहीं थी, सिर्फ एक जुमला था, जुमला। 8 मार्च को दिल्ली की महिलाओं को खाते में तो 2,500 रुपए नहीं मिले, उनको तो एक स्कीम भी नहीं मिली, यहां तक कि एक रजिस्ट्रेशन का पोर्टल तक नहीं मिला जिस पे जाके वो अपने नाम भर दें, अपने खाते की डिटेल डाल दें, अपने आधार कार्ड की डिटेल डाल दें। दिल्ली की महिलाओं को क्या मिला? एक 4 सदस्य की कमेटी मिली।
The very much awaited scheme of Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, the financial aid of 2,500 rupees to the women of the national capital, has today been approved by the Delhi cabinet and announced by the chief minister today itself. Now let me tell you that apart from that, today the chief minister has said that 5,100 crore rupees has also been approved for the allotment in the budget for this particular scheme. Not just that, a committee also has now been formed which will be chaired by the chief minister herself, and along with her there will be cabinet ministers like Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, who will in fact be ensuring the very implementation of the scheme in the national capital. But on the other hand, if we talk about the opposition, well, the opposition has called it a jumla rather by the BJP-led Delhi government, saying that the PM, Prime Minister, had promised that the money will be deposited on the Women's Day, and that has not been fulfilled. And the people of Delhi, rather the women of Delhi, have only got, in fact, a committee in the name of implementation. Now, apart from that, let me tell you the finer details we talk about. That is the application form. That, in fact, as per the officials, what we are getting to know, it will be provided through the online portal that has been developed for the scheme. Also, the Aadhaar-based eKYC will be used for the application purpose. So if we talk about the women here who continue to hold the BPL card, they certainly seems to be happy, after the announcement that has been made by the Chief Minister for the implementation of this Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. Now with camera person Ashok Mahale, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.